feel like my brows are crooked. Maybe if I slow down. I know this looks really weird, but I'm trying to get eye level with my camera, so it'll make my brows go straight, so that way I can look directly into the thing to see if my eyebrows are straight. Because looking in this mirror, it doesn't help. All right, Catwoman.
Done.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I decided to do something a bit different and switch it up and jump on the bandwagon with this. I tried to follow a makeup tutorial, and I've been seeing it going around a lot, and I thought it'd be really cool to try to do a tutorial, to try to follow a makeup tutorial. And I decided to follow one of Jackie Aina's makeup tutorials. But literally, guys, she had so many makeup tutorials that I wanted to try and follow, but the majority of those looks that I was looking at, they actually had like a neutral eye. They had like a neutral eye, and I was like, you know what? I'm always going for a neutral eyeshadow, so I said, you know what? Let me switch it up and go for something that has more of color to it. And I decided to pick the Rihanna makeup tutorial that she did. I'll put it right here so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. So let's get started. I've never followed a person's makeup tutorial before. Every time I do my makeup, it's always just whatever comes to my mind as I go. So I was like, you know what? Let me switch it up and let me try to follow somebody's makeup tutorial. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, so I really do not know how this is going to turn out, but I was like, you know what? It's something fun, creative to do, so I said, why not try it? I'm using my laptop over here to do this because I feel like it'll be easier for me to see it because I'm kind of blind. So, oh, by the way, don't worry about my hair. My hair literally is blow dried out. I haven't watched this video either. Okay, so she's not doing this tutorial style. Okay, so it's just music. I'm just gonna be using, I don't know if I have some of the products she has, I don't know, but I'm just gonna be using the products that I already own to create this look. Okay, she's using, what is that? Okay, that's some primer. Where's my primer? Okay, I'm just gonna be using this L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. Oh wait, pause it. Okay. I think I need to shut up and apply this. She's already moved on to something. I don't know. Okay, so let me go ahead and apply my primer. Oh, okay. I think she's highlighting certain areas. She's using a crayon. I don't have a stick, but I do have the LA Girl Pro Concealer. The LA Girl Pro Concealer. Here. I don't really have dark circles, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, oh, okay, so she did it all here. Okay, oh goodness, oh wait, okay, hold on, wait. She's already on foundation and I have not done any of this. Okay, she used a beauty sponge to do this. Oops, I read the wrong one. Wait, I should have a cup of water. I have a cup with some water. Okay, I got my beauty blender now. Okay, I really don't know how this is gonna work. Oh, okay. So she's using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Where's my foundation? I actually have that. I actually do have this. Sorry, but my thing is crooked. I actually do have this. But, there is a but. The Maybelline, I had this, but the thing about it is it's in coconut, but it's a little bit too dark for my skin. So we're gonna mix these two together. All right, okay, so we're just gonna put this. Oh, you guys can tell this is really an impromptu video because I have on my PJs. So thumbs up so far if you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this. Yeah, thumbs up if you feel sorry for me. I'm just kidding. Don't feel sorry for me. There it is. Haha, there it comes. I know it's slow, but it's coming. It's coming. Okay, this is really difficult to follow. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, okay, she's using a brush. She's using a brush to blend this in. Okay, so she's doing her brows now. I don't use brow pencils. I use, oh, there it is. It's behind my camera. Behind my light. Okay, so we're gonna pause it because she has already got both of her brows on, and I haven't even opened mine yet. Okay, so this is the difficult part for me. So I'm gonna have to have my camera, my mirror in my face. Normally I do my brows I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I can't talk when I'm doing my brows because I will jack them up. So comment below and let me know if you guys are the same way and you can't talk and do your brows at the same time. I feel like it's like a marathon or something, some type of conquest or something. Look at that. I'm using the Maybelline New York Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. And I am just gonna put that over my eyelids. Oops. Probably should have went with a browner color. Okay. So you guys, I told you, I don't follow. Okay, I've already done that eye, so I have no choice but to put this on this one. I probably should have watched the video before I decided to do this, but I thought it'd be much more cooler and a great reaction if I didn't watch it. Okay, because I feel like I just did a whole bunch of something I shouldn't have. She has a pencil that she's using to put on her blue eyeshadow. I don't have that. I don't have a pencil. I don't. So I'm just gonna take this, hope you guys see that flat top zigzag. I don't know the name of it. Do not kill me. Do not kill the messenger. Also, if you guys want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button. I'm learning where everything is, but I think it's down here on this side. Or is it on this side? Because I'm filming it, it looks like it'll be on this side, but it might be on this side. So I don't know, but it's somewhere down here. So just click that subscribe button and go ahead and thumbs up this video. So you guys let me know you like these videos. Oh, wait. So I'm gonna spritz some stuff on here, just so this stuff will stick. This looks like this is the color. Let's see. Is that? Oh, yes. That is. Look at that. That is the color, and I picked it. Number one, I picked it first. Okay, I didn't even try none of these other blues I got up in here. I just picked that one. Okay, anyways. is pretty. I really don't know how it looks on me though. That's a whole different story. I just feel like okay, Jackie, what you finna do now? What color is that? Okay, looks like she's going in with the peach color. And she is just blending this out. Y'all, I'm not good at matching up colors. You know what? I'm gonna mix them both. I'm gonna mix this one, and I'm gonna mix this one. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know. I'm going with the flow. See, this is why I don't do color. I hope this turns out right because I feel like I'm looking like a fool right there. Oh, it's coming together now. Oh, it's because before it was looking a hot mess. I was gonna scrap it. She's putting on falsies. I have falsies, but I don't have any glue. So we're gonna do without falsies today. Artist Baked bronzer. So here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys like this look or if you want to see me do any other tutorials or any other video requests that you have. Go ahead and drop them in the comment box below. So I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, y'all, I really hope this looks as good as it does in my head, because in my head it looks decent, it looks okay. I really hope it does.